We go to next topic, vomiting. It is the ejection of stomach content through the mouth. This reflex action is controlled by the vomit center in the medulla oblongata. Common causes. Vomiting can have causes that are in due to underlying diseases. Example include hangover, pregnancy, overeating or motion sickness. Self-treatment. Taking small sips of oral rehydration solution ORS may help prevent dehydration. Jaundice. Next topic. Jaundice is a condition in which a person's skin and the whites of the eyes are discolored yellow due to an increased level of bile pigments in the blood resulting from liver diseases. Jaundice is sometimes called stress from a Greek word for the conditions when red blood cells break down naturally in a 120-day cycle. Bilirubin is produced by a waste byproduct. There are three main types of jaundice. Hepatocellular jaundice occurs as a result of liver diseases or injury. Hemolytic jaundice occurs as a result of hemolysis, an accelerated breakdown of red blood cells leading to an increase in productions of bilirubin. Obstructive jaundice, third type, occurs as a result of an obstruction in the bile duct. This prevents bilirubin from leaving the liver. Causes. When red blood cells break down naturally, 120-day cycle, bilirubin is produced as a waste byproduct. The liver filters waste out from the blood when bilirubin reaches the liver. Other chemicals attached to it. A substance called conjugated bilirubin result the liver produced by a digestive juice. Conjugated bilirubin enters the bile, then it leaves the body. It is this type of bilirubin that gives feces is brown colored. This is too much bilirubin, it can leak into the surrounding tissues. This is known as hyperbilirubinemia and it causes yellow colored in the skin and eyes. Common signs of the symptoms seen in individuals with jaundice include common sign of symptoms seen in individuals jaundice include light colored stools, dark colored urine and itching of the skin. These may include nausea and vomiting, abdominal pain, fever, weakness, headache. Next, liver cirrhosis is a consequence of chronic liver diseases characterized by replacement of liver tissues by fibrosis, scar tissues, and regenerative nodules leading to loss of liver functions. Chronic liver damage from a variety of causes leading to scarring. Scarring means fibrosis and liver failure. Hepatitis and chronic alcohol abuse are frequent causes liver damage caused by cirrhosis. Cannot be undone, but further damage can be limited. Cirrhosis is a last stage of scarring of the liver caused by many forms of liver diseases and conditions such as hepatitis and chronic alcoholism. What happens in liver cirrhosis? Cirrhosis is a disease in which healthy liver tissue is replaced from scar tissue. The scar tissue blocks the flow of blood through the liver and slows the liver ability to process nutrients, hormones, and drugs and natural toxins. Causes. The most common causes of cirrhosis are hepatitis C, alcohol related liver diseases, non alcoholic fatty liver diseases, and hepatitis B. Many people with cirrhosis have no symptoms in the early stages of the diseases. Alcohol remains the second most common causes of liver cirrhosis after hepatitis C virus. Healthy liver, the diseases. Cirrhosis in the liver. Gallstones, next topic. Gallstones. The gallbladder is an organ attached to your intestine that stores bile, a digestive juice. Bile can form small hard deposit called gallstones. About 20 million Americans have gallstones, but not all of them are a problem. Some gallstones don't cause symptoms and go away on their own. Others can cause severe pain or infections. You may also have nausea, vomiting, and fever. Surgery is the usual treatment of gallstones that causes these gallbladder attacks. What is the gallbladder? What does it do? The gallbladder is a small pear-shaped sac that is located under the liver and stored bile. Gallstones are formed from constitution of the bile, cholesterol, bile pigments, and calcium salt. Causes of gallstones. Gallstones are thought to development because of an imbalance in the chemical makeup of bile inside the gallbladder. It most causes the level of cholesterol in bile become too high. The excess cholesterol forms in the stones. Gallstones are very common. Next topic, appendix. Where appendix is a small finger shaped structure, hollow tubes on the end of your large intestine. Appendicitis is an inflammation that causes your appendix is swell and become infected. Appendix is usually caused by something such as a tiny piece of hard stool block your appendix. The blockage causes infections and swelling. Causes. Appendix is usually caused when something such as a tiny piece of hard stool. Appendix the swelling causes. The treatment involves the removal of appendix by surgery. If treatment is delayed, the appendix may rupture and result in infections of the abdomen called peritonitis. Peritonitis means inflammations of the peritoneum. The peritoneum is the tissue layer of cell lining the inner wall of the abdomen and pelvis. Peritonitis can result from infection such as bacteria or parasites, the injury and bleeding or diseases. Thank you.